All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great day. I see some of the same faces I've seen throughout the year, and there's a few new ones as well. So I want to say thank you. Like I said on the PA just a few minutes ago, it takes intentional focus to maintain success over time. It's easy to drop off and quit giving the effort, but to maintain that and continue the work ethic, it says a lot about you. Right, so continue that. Thank you. This whole opportunity, and I look forward to next year for our 7th graders here in the room, that we'll be able to have parents here to be a part of these things to make it even more special. All right? But you are special, and realize that. And like I said also on the PA a few minutes back, this world often will tear us down and make comments about us, and effort, and grades. And understand, you are in charge of your future. Those students, those comments, those individuals are not. Your future is in your hands, and you're going to have a great future. I believe that for every student in this building. They have a great future as long as we stay committed and focused, and we believe in ourselves, and we don't let the world tear us away from that goal. Believe where you want to go, see where you want to go, and visualize it, and then maintain that focus. So thank you very much. At this time, we're going to begin our ceremony. Ms. Rogers will call names, and I'll be able to connect with you eyeball to eyeball and be able to hand you your certificate. So thank you so much.
All right, we're going to have High Dog and Gardener's class come on first. So students, when you hear your name, come up. And then we're going to let their class, they haven't eaten breakfast yet, so we're going to let them go eat breakfast after we get their names. First up, Miguel Cabrero. Haley Kastner. Juan Chavez. Ruby Clark. Damian Fullen. Giovanni Hernandez. Ellie Steinhauser. Jaden Terran. Cross Billman. All right, Julian Almonte. Come on down. Isabella Archer. I can't read this back. It's okay. Isabel Arocha. Mark Angel Oseda. Sophia Berry. Miracle Bodunde. Eli Carvajal. Valerie Castrejon. Monica Chavez. Luke Christensen. Emily Clark. Emma Croy. Carla Cruz. Darren Davis. Leah Davis. Shannon Dunlau. Wendy Escobar Padilla. Mia Gandara. Vanessa Guerrero. Lillian Harrell. Andrea Hernandez. Jake Holden. Kenzie Kellemere. Riley Koenig. James Kuba. Cameron Lee. Giovanni Leone. Jacob Lacuna. Abram Mann. Amelie Marrero Valle. Destiny Martinez. Layla Martinez. Jasmine Mustache. Jacoby Mayo. Samantha Medina. Lucas Mendoza. Jason Miraz Funes. Victor Meza. Pedro Monge. Mary Susie Montoya. Anthony Mullen. Lupita Munoz. Min Nguyen. Genesis Norwood. Jackson Pala. Jasmine Patton. Cameron Patterson. Rachel Paulino. Alex Perez. Bianca Perez. Shanaria Price. Lydia Ramos. Denise Rodriguez. Enrique Sanchez. Sharp. Manisha Singh. Alyssa Sneed. Ariana Solis. Kason Vector. Ashley Vences Arce. Jude Villarreal. Ashley Visoso. Alexander Woes. Mackenzie Zeeg. Janelle Aguilera.